How to create a user testing account. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to create a user testing account. First, open your user testing website on your browser. Now, click the Start Here button to get started. Now choose the path you are looking to do. If you click Get Paid to Test, then enter your email address to start. Go to the Sign In button and enter your credentials correctly. After that, hit the Next button to proceed. Now, choose the path you are looking to do. If you choose the option that evaluates user testing for the company, then enter the required information. The first step contains the business use case, your name, and the job title. The second step includes your phone number, email address, company name, and country. Make sure to enter the correct details. Finally, click the Submit button to submit your form. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.